Brussels sprouts and cauliflower, onion, fennel and cucumber, plum, pear and papaya, aubergine and saya, lime, lentils and quinoa, oatmeal bread and oatmeal flour, watercress and okra, tofu and sweet pepper.
Welcome to part 1 of 2 bonus videos after the Vegan Crossing Shikoku series. In this video, we're still in Beppu, discovering what Beppu can offer. Not much happened the first day here, so we jump right to the second day.
Last day we didn't do much. We stayed in the hotel room most of the day, went down to a Bengali restaurant eating some delicious dal, and I also ordered some takeaway from Moss Burger. It was quite a chill day, but it was well needed. Exhaustion is taking the best of us. Now we're going to meet someone that we found online that wanted to meet some other vegans in Japan.
Our plan was to meet our new friend at a famous tourist attraction, and for once, we took our time and walked to the place.
Beppu might actually be the most thermal-active city in Japan. Right now, we see steam absolutely everywhere, but it's just due to the weather. Or I don't know how much comes up from the ground. But I would suppose if it rains here, there would be fog anyways. So I don't know. Yeah, it doesn't help now that we go up the hill to the more steamy parts. It's basically steaming up from the floor, like this. Well, this is volcanic steam. I mean, look at this. I wish I had a clear day to go here, but then you would see this much easier. Yeah, they have pipes to let them out safely. And a little hidden little treasure next to the road, blocked off. That's somewhere I'd like to bathe. You see the water down there? Don't put your hands in that. It's boiling hot.
Hi, I'm Janice. Newly vegan since last year.
Oh, well, you're a fresh one.
I'm a fresh one.
Yeah.
So it has been a little bit of a struggle, but I do it for the animals.
Yeah, so where exactly do you come from?
California.
Yeah.
Japan.
Japan, yeah.
For 3 months. So
Yeah.
all people who are California, you can do it too.
Exactly.
You just gotta go.
Together, we visited Shikoku Meguri, or Hell's Tor, known for steamy lakes and beautiful nature.
Wow. It smells of sulfur.
I thought it was,
You knew about this before, didn't you?
I didn't know that there was a red hot hell spring, but I didn't know the one we went to was the red one. That's so cool though.
Yeah.
Look at all the life that surrounds it.
Oh, it smells of sulfur.
That's why I left America, because I want to see the wild. Yeah, I want to see.
This is some interesting path to take. I think this looks awesome. Want to know something crazy? They do this in Iceland.
They do.
Yeah. The most Nordic banana plant is in Iceland.
That's cool.
This is as hot as hot springs get.
Is it the warmest?
It is the warmest it gets. Like there are others who are this warm, but like you can't get it warmer than this. It will just evaporate. You want to hop in?
Yeah.
How about you? You want to hop in?
No.
Now that is definitely the gates of hell. Oh, the other side of the path to hell, okay.
Yeah. We've been to hell before.
Oh yeah, true. We've been to hell before, that's right.
This is where it leads.
Oh, that's where it leads, okay. Sadly, the shrine is not open. You can't even spray holy water on our hands. It's locked off. It's slightly annoying.
That it's closed.
Yeah.
It makes sense though because of the
The slipperiness.
The park had even a hot spring for feet.
Now my feet is in the water. Or your feet in the water.
Yes.
You like having your feet in the water?
Oh, most definitely, yes.
Oh, my skin is already turning red by this.
Oh, you're gonna get really red in the hot spring.
Probably.
Like really, really red.
I just can't get enough to like have thermoactive displays. There's steam coming up from everywhere.
After visiting the park, we decided to get something to eat. The first thing we found was a little stand selling hot spring steamed sweet potatoes.
How is it?
It's so good, but it's really hot. Like
Really
my
hot.
poor little fingers.
Warm sweet potato. Are you excited for it?
Yeah. After that, we found Jigoku Kobo Steam Cooking Center, where we could buy steamed vegetables or even brought our own meal to steam. But the preparation time was up to an hour and we had a planned schedule, so maybe another time. Luckily, we found a juice bar just nearby.
This is so delicious. You like it in your mouth, right?
Oh yeah.
Well, here they have a really nice onsen. We'd like to check out. Wait, which one was it? Kizuna?
Or Kitsuna.
There's a Kizuna.
Kitsuna.
Where is it?
That way.
That way? Okay. Here we are. This is interesting.
Should I put the coin in now? Hot water.
The hot water. This will look fantastic. I don't even know where the light is.
Okay, so we're gonna sit here.
Yeah, we're gonna sit here.
The water should be coming soon. So there's light.
There's also a water bathtub.
Oh.
There it is.
That's for the cold water?
I don't know. It just says water bathtub. Oh. Ew. That is so good. Spewing out water. And now it's spewing it even more. This is absolutely fantastic degrees of water. I like it a lot. And with this private room solution is the best. I can even record myself. How do you two feel?
I feel amazing.
Yeah, wasn't as bad as you thought?
No, it was not.
No.
No, it's not.
This is gonna be an amazing dinner. Yay! You're excited as well.
I am. This is delicious.
Oh, it really looks delicious. Beppu Tower, almost as impressive as Tokyo Tower. Meat vending machine.
At least one.
You had a suggestion for this.
Yeah, if every machine just had at least one vegan option.
Yeah.
If there's green, what does that mean? Is that
Healthier. That's what it means.
it doesn't mean fake meat?
No, it doesn't mean fake meat. So many times you would just think, oh, that's the vegan option. No, it isn't.
Yes, you'll be in my heart. You'll be in my heart. No matter what they say.
Giant mat, galbonje valiant giant mat, dongestar, lefko on takkelen ottanut, se limma.
Day after hard day of partying. This is the yeah, this is the breakfast. We actually wanted to go somewhere else to eat. We gotta go.
Yeah, the
coffee.
typical hangover breakfast.
Yeah.
The coffee and the water.
Now the reason why we eat here is because the other chain restaurants and no, not the chain, but the other restaurants they open at 11. And we need food before that. Well, you just need coffee.
Yeah, just need coffee.
Now that the sun is up, there's a couple of things that I see in the distance, and it's basically open mountains without trees. That's one thing, and there's also a monument up there. I wanted to go up there, but we don't know if we have time. I asked them to make it something vegan, and the thing is, I think they make their own margarine because she confirmed that there is no dairy in that margarine whatsoever. Margarine pizza makes a what are you gonna say? Italian's heart cry, but yeah. You got spaghetti soup. You look quite satisfied with that. What is it to say about this place?
They were very kind to make vegan food to us because none of the options there were originally vegan.
Yeah, the thing is, like she said, they didn't have anything, so we went outside. Tried to Google up other options we had because we didn't use Happy Cow. We just wanted to find something else, see if we can add something on Happy Cow. And while we stood there, she came out to us and was like, "Yeah, I think I can make something." And then she scrambled up them 3 dishes.
Yeah.
But the pizza, it wasn't pizza though. It was buttered dough.
Yeah.
Which, wow! I've never ever tried like someone make pizza with buttered dough.
No.
That's the first time.
Yeah.
Have you tried anything like it?
I had tried pizza with bando. I think that's called.
Yeah, bando. Yeah.
Bando. Yeah, I've tried that. I liked that. It was actually pretty good.
Yeah. Well, to me, it's like it was just nothing like pizza.
No, it's more like pie.
Yeah.
Like a dinner dessert pie.
Yeah, something like that. It's it was like pie without filling.
Yeah.
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 It wasn't bad. It was actually really delicious. But yeah. So yeah, we went through 2 ramen places that was listed like, okay, here they can make you vegan. They couldn't. One was like, oh, this one is both halal and vegan friendly. There was fish in all of it. And there's a place just around the corner here where it's like, this one would definitely have something vegan. All of it got pork.
After eating, we wanted to try out the Beppu beach sand bath that we had heard so much about.
Beppu has some kind of a trademark meaning sand bath. But the problem now is it's, how should I say this? It's permanently closed. Web page is all open, so it might actually have been that they just closed down a few days ago. This is so bad luck.
After having to change plans over 20 times due to full booked, closed stores or shut down places, here our spirit finally broke. There was only a few hours till the ferry departed, so we had only a short time to find something to do. All we now wanted to do was to check out the last place with vegan alternatives. But it didn't open before after the ferry's department, so I guess we can add that to the list. With our spirit down, we decided to just sit down and eat lunch at Starbucks.
I'm not sure if you can hear much because there is a lot of noise. This will be our supper today in this case. I'm just kidding. We need some sugar. This is a little bit of an awful day, in it. Next to Starbucks there's this beautiful park. Sorry about the noise in the background, it's just some political propaganda. I see some kind of... is that a castle? It looks more like a Western castle than a Japanese castle. Well, I actually think it is. Amazingly enough. Memorial to Kumahachi Aburaya. He wasn't from here, he moved here. Explorer chief of like rice ownership or something like that, hotel owner, a lot of things that he did. I don't know much about him, but he got this cube and he got this writing, which I struggle to read. Now we're here again. You will have the same spiciness as I did last.
Yeah.
How'll this go?
It will go good. It will go great.
Yeah, you could do much better than that though.
This is just the beginning, because you have to have this spice before you can go like in the upper class.
I struggle at the end. You've eaten it all. How is it really? How is it really?
It was good. It
Yeah.
was like the spice I liked it.
Yeah, because I struggled a little with it.
Yeah, but you had like the double portion that I had. I would also struggle if I had to eat that much. And with all that, we boarded the ferry and sailed all the night to Osaka.